everybody, it's Doug from ZiiDMS Software for power sports, motorcycle, and marine dealerships. And today I wanted to talk to you about new major unit receiving. So a couple different ways that we can put new vehicles in inventory in ZiiDMS and how that's done. There's a number of different ways this can be done, but I wanted to share with you two examples today of how we can put multiple units in inventory with one session and at one time. One of the ways we do this is certainly one of our standout features within ZiiDMS and how we can upload invoices from a major manufacturer, and ZiiDMS's machine learning comes into play as saving you a ton of time and eliminating any simple human error or mistakes that can get made while doing this process. Let's get right into it and talk about it. So we're going to go into our major unit, new unit receiving tab here. Today I'm going to talk about Honda. So I'm going to select Honda. I'm just going to pick an invoice number. I'm going to make up an invoice number that I've got here. And then I'm going to go ahead and receive, let's start with a couple of Honda Ruckuses. I know the model number. I type in the model number. I can find those two units. I've got the cost entered in here. Maybe I've got a Honda Rancher also coming in and I don't have the model number readily available, or I just want to use our type ahead search functionality and find it for some reason. You can do that within Z. So we can do a VIN number research. We can do a model number search. We can search by manufacturer, brand, any of that kind of stuff. So in this example, we're going to find this 2025 Honda Rancher 420 in black forest green. We're going to add one of those as well. And then maybe we know the model number and we've got an Africa Twin coming in and we want to enter that in as well. Sure enough, here's our 2025 Africa Twin ending in D4S for a model number. And pearl white, we're going to get one of those as well. So as we enter in these vehicles in ZiiDMS, this total, of course, is building for this invoice. However, in Z, what we're going to do is as we add the VIN numbers, ZiiDMS is automatically, of course, going to create the stock number according to the parameters that you've set in ZiiDMS and how you want those stock numbers to show. But the reason I'm talking about this is ZiiDMS is also going to know and going to create payables for each vehicle based on stock number. We are not going to make you make partial payments on one invoice because we know all these vehicles probably are not going to sell at the same time. So we're going to make payables based on the fact of the vehicle and each particular stock number. So as we go on here, of course, we can continue on manually entering VIN numbers, assigning those stock numbers, having those totals here, and then be able to submit and receive a multitude of vehicles here. We could have one vehicle, we could have 13 vehicles on here, it doesn't matter, all in this one invoice. Now, there's a secondary way to do this within ZiiDMS as well. You can see this upload invoice button, and this is the feature that we're really excited about and want to share with you. So I'll hop into there really quick. If we hop into the upload invoice, you can see there's another tab here to upload invoice image or a PDF file, or you can go right to that invoice image that you have. We have a number of supported documents here. We know what all these major manufacturer invoices look like. You can see them here and you know that this is what they look like. So we've got Honda, Kawasaki, Suzuki, a number of them in here. Today I'm going to use this BRP one as an example with 4 units on it. So I've uploaded that invoice, and then what happens is ZiiDMS reads that invoice. It simply pulls all the information that it knows that it requires to put a vehicle in inventory. So it knows the model number, it knows the serial number, it knows it knows color, model year. It's brought all of that stuff over, including, of course, cost, retail, all of the stuff related to the model data and everything that was on the invoice, including the invoice number, as you can see up here in the top left. So all that information gets automatically uploaded into the screen. You just simply need an employee to verify that that information is correct. Pick your terms, hit receive, and those vehicles are now in inventory. So as you can see, I'm describing that process, but you can imagine that as you get into this, you would click the upload button, click on your PDF. ZiiDMS then reads that invoice, uploads all this information, a couple more clicks on your terms, hit receive, and you're done. And it doesn't matter if it's 40 units or if it's 34 units. ZiiDMS is going to upload that information very quickly, and you're going to receive those units just right on the spot very quickly within your inventory record. And then from there, of course, you can go into your website, start uploading live pictures if you want, get those vehicles up on the internet, ready for sale, on your website, ready for sale. And that stuff can all happen very, very quickly. So a couple different ways we can receive new units in inventory within ZiiDMS that I just wanted to share with you. I hope you find that helpful. For more information about major unit sales and invoice receiving, feel free to reach out to any of the sales reps. Or if you're looking for more information about ZiiDMS in general, we're happy to share more details with you about sales, parts, service, accounting and reporting, and all the features that we have in ZiiDMS. So again, appreciate you spending time with me today. Thanks for joining, and we'll talk to you soon.